Get ready to have your mind blown. We're diving into 5 insane facts about the Bible that you probably didn't know. The Bible is more than just a religious text. It's a monumental work of literature and history. Here's why it remains so significant. Fact number 1. The Bible was written over an astonishing span of more than 1,500 years. Imagine the dedication required for that. Fact number 2. This epic was penned by approximately 40 different authors, ranging from shepherds and fishermen to kings and prophets. Talk about diversity. Fact number 3. It's the undisputed champion of book sales. The Bible is the best-selling book of all time, with billions of copies distributed worldwide. Fact number 4 covers extremes. The longest book is Psalms, and the shortest verse is Jesus wept in John chapter 11, verse 35, concise yet powerful. Fact number 5. The Bible was the very first book ever printed using movable type, thanks to Johannes Gutenberg, a pivotal moment in history. From its vast timeline to its incredible reach, the Bible is truly a fascinating subject. Hit that like button and share your favorite Bible fact in the comments.